Welcome guys to another video. It's Monday and I am Tips with Dave. They also call me David Pinto. I usually say that the other way around, but it doesn't really matter at this point. I want to get to you to talking about a few things in this video. But as you can see, we are definitely going to talk about cryptocurrency and the marketplace at the moment. One thing I want to say most clearly before I get into anything is that this video is not about financial advice. It is also no guarantee that you can make any incomes. This is all my journey that I am doing right now, and if you do wish to follow, then you can find actually the system that I'm using, which I created myself. And honestly, I put together everything with a lot of hard work and patience as well to see whether the strategy works. To implement the strategy has been implemented for the last few years. So if you want to check out more, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so you can check it out. So let's get into the actual content of this video right now. I wanted to show you guys the cryptocurrency marketplace at the moment more than anything else, because it is definitely today's Monday and I speak a lot about a passive way of earning cryptocurrency, which would be mining. And it is also a very legitimate way for you to develop and help the coins itself, help the cryptocurrencies itself, as well as helping the marketplace grow and the currency of the future to actually be implemented. So if you're not using it, then what's the point, right? So mining helps the use of it, helps the creation of it, and allows you to generate also a passive stream of income. So we'll definitely get a look at it, but I wanted to be on coin market cap at the moment, because at least it shows you a very vast look at the positive market. Let's say the green market, it's got a bit of an uptrend right at the moment, and I'm happy to see it, honestly, because we have been on a downtrending market, and as you can see, the price of Bitcoin right now is $6,741 US. So that's what is happening at the moment. We can go ahead and also see that Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, everything else has gone up. I have been trading like crazy over the last few days because of this kind of green everywhere, and I'm really happy to have the tools and the possibilities to do trading also on a part-time basis at the moment. Like I said, we're going to look at cryptocurrency mining. So what are the elements? And I'm going to click on Bitcoin because I want you guys to see something here. Okay. What are the elements do you think are necessary for your cryptocurrency or for your Bitcoin mine to be successful? I want you guys to let me know in the comments of this video. Task for you. I'm going to put it as a pinned comment as well. What do you think are the elements for you that are needed for Bitcoin mining? Okay. And I'm going to give you guys the answer, but before I do, I want to see whether you pay attention and actually write those two things down, the two things in the comment section below. So do that for me. We have a lot to cover, so I'm not going to take too much of your time. But like I said, one of the things is the price of Bitcoin is important to your mining, as well as the mining difficulty. Now, the mining difficulty you will not find on CoinMarketCap, but you will find if you just Google Bitcoin mining difficulty, you'll have the possibilities to look at it in different ways, as well as a tool here which I look at is the coin mineable? Okay, the coin is mineable in terms of having it on the blockchain itself. Okay, let's go into the things that I want to tell you. How do I personally go about mining cryptocurrency and mining Bitcoin as well? Is through a company called, a 10-year-old company called Swissquote Global. It is a company that's there for a while. I'm going to get into some details. As you can see, I do have some terahash right here as well. And if you're interested in it, I am a free member of the site. So you can be a free member as well. And then when you choose to do, which I would suggest you do, get started with Bitcoin mining, then you can definitely click the link in the description of this video where you'll be taken directly to Swissquote Global. Okay. Payouts, just to tell you guys, I have been paid out. Okay, so let's go to the second page right here and third page right here, and you can see transaction link on this at the beginning of this month. I was made a payout, so it does work. Now there are a few things that happen in Swissquote Global. Firstly, as you can see here, until you reach this minimum payout, they will not pay you out. So your rewards on a day-to-day basis, depending upon how much of hash power you have, will get accumulated to this. Now, this is some news, guys, okay? This is some news. This means that the payout has decreased from what it was. It was 0.0035 and now it's gone 0.0025. So it's definitely lowered right now, which is a good thing for us. But there are two important, super important updates for Swiss Gold Global, which I'm going to mention right now in the comment section below. And I think it's very important for you guys to know, okay? The first update that I want to talk to you guys about is specifically 50% reduction in maintenance fees. So that's what I showed you right here. That's the maintenance fee is deducted by 50%. This basically means, okay, that instead of it costing 0.028 per terahash, now it'll cost just 14 cents. 0.14 cents for 1 terahash of mining power. So that is a fixed fee that they've said. So that is the reduction, okay? And there's going to be the new Bitcoin mining contracts that Swiss Gold Global are going to have, which are fixed to 5 years. Now, 5 years is more than enough time to see an upward trend, as well as, you know, just the volatility side of cryptocurrency and reap the benefits of that. So definitely a good thing, which means that they do have enough, and they've explained it how it works with Genesis Mining. As I said, there is no guarantee at all in terms of earnings. It definitely depends on the price of Bitcoin and the Bitcoin mining difficulty. So this is the first thing. Swiss Gold Global has contracts, and I'm going to show you how you can buy one as well. And the second thing, guys, this is some bad news for if you are watching in the USA and you're watching this video. I am sorry to say, but Genesis Mining has stopped selling contracts in the US because of various reasons. They're waiting for the regulatory information basically to get sorted out, and then they will start to open mining in the US. But until then, they are not allowing any US individuals to basically buy mining packages. So they will not be available to US citizens, and this is possible, okay, only, and I can say this openly, if you do join Swiss Gold Global, there is something that they have to do with every single member, which is know your customer. Okay, they're a 10-year-old reputable company, so know your customer is for them to verify the information that you're a real person from where you are, your ID details. So if you're in the US, you have to send them US passport, everything. So they will not approve or they might approve your account, but they will not allow you to purchase any kind of mining packages. Now the reason for that is as they said right here, okay, US members will continue to have access to the members account, but it will not be able to purchase mining packages. So we strongly recommend that our US members do not market or sell this within the USA, as this may put you in breach of US security regulations, and it is important to stay legal in this matter, okay? So we are trying our best to say and be legal in every single thing that we do, which is why the company has lasted over 10 years, okay, Swiss Gold Global, and wants to comply with Genesis Mining so that nothing is affected. And us as members, we're not affected by it as well, okay? So if you're watching this in the US, I do apologize that you will not be able to mine, but you can still sign up as a free account and check out Swiss Gold Global, purchase maybe some other things, maybe gold and silver if you would like as well, or precious metals. If this is not interesting you, it's fine, it's not a problem. You can go ahead and find some other mining companies. However, let me be very, very strict and tell you this, that if Genesis Mining is doing this, there is a reason. So until the regulatory situation changes with the USA, this should be the case for most mining procedures. That is a tip that you should be taking away from this video. Be careful. If the biggest players in the industry are telling you to be careful and they are not selling mining packages there, it means something, okay? Now, it means something for you as an individual who has to pay taxes, not for the companies who are saying different things. But it matters a lot for you as an individual. So take care. If you're on the US, I'm repeating myself for the third time in this video. Please do not watch this video. Don't continue. Or maybe you can watch this video, but do not sign up under the link, okay? Even if you do, you have to go through KYC in order for you to do this. So these were the two important ways that I have definitely got in with mining as passively. But even if you're not mining passively, guys, you can still trade the cryptocurrencies. And I have left a link in the description to that. It's called the Pro system, which I use, okay? And the Pro system will show you exactly, or you can say just learn trading. You'll find it in the description. And it will show you exactly how to trade cryptocurrencies so that you can take advantage of these spikes. But even when the market is going down, if you learn the right methods, you can make a profit every single day, okay? I won't guarantee you anything, as I said, because it's the skill sets that you are putting into it, but it's definitely worth it. So I use the Pro system. The Pro system will take you to, just need to go to TipsWithDav.com, okay? And you will find the Pro system. This is it. And you can find all the details that I have in my system itself. I pretty much brand my own self. I'm not somebody to hide behind the cover, so you'll definitely see my face on most of the pages as well, okay? Have a great day, guys. My name is David Pino. They also call me Tips with Dave. Hopefully, you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with somebody, like, definitely comment, and hit the subscribe button because we're going to show some more proof progress results on this channel, and you can participate in actually finding your way if you resonate with just one thing to get successful online. Have a great day. Keep in touch and hit the subscribe button.